What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Eufy Omni S2. The S1 was already my favorite robot vacuum, but now they took things a step further and somehow made it even better. This has a ton of features designed for long-lasting deep cleaning, including a powerful suction power of 30,000 PA combined with multi-cone cyclone technology, an upgraded HydroJet self-cleaning roller mop, and much, much more. So if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones on the market. So taking a look at the robot itself, similar to the S1, it has a very sleek and modern design. But new on this model, you have this translucent area here. And right here, you actually see this while it spins, along with a glowing LED ring around it as well. Definitely a very cool and unique design that I have not seen in any other robot. So moving on to the base station, besides looking cool, this design also has a few functional purposes as well. With other base stations, they're usually pretty short, so you gotta hunch over to reach the buttons. But thanks to this one being taller, it's just much more comfortable and natural to use. As you can see here, you have a color display along with touch sensitive controls, and these are both tilted at 15 degrees so you can see and use it very easily while standing in front of it. Right below the top, we have a see-through tank, which not only looks cool, but also shows you the level of your clean water so you know when to refill it as well. And last but not least, if you look inside the tank, you'll see this little saucer with LEDs around it, and this is actually a built-in ozone generator. What this does is add ozone to regular tap water so it can not only clean, but also disinfect your floors as well. Looking at the specs, this can kill up to 99.99% of germs, so definitely a great feature to have. Besides the basics I just went over, this station also has a ton of different features, which I'll be going over later in the video. Alright, so diving into one of the best features on this robot, and that's the Aero Turbo 2.0. So right here I have the Aero Turbo module that just pops out, and despite being very compact, this thing is much stronger than you would expect. So not only does this robot have a very strong 30,000 PA suction power, but it also has an industry first multi-cone cyclone technology. Together, these give the vacuum a very powerful 100 air watts. A lot of vacuums have high suction power, but typically the flow rate is low, so in the end, it just isn't that effective. Similar to a straw, there's only so much that can flow through at once, but on this one, you truly get a powerful suction power that's comparable to full-size vacuums instead of a robot. Thanks to this technology, the filter has a low clogging rate and stays clean, so even after several months of usage, the suction power will still be as good as the first day. Looking at the specs, competitors only retain 40% of their original flow rate after 90 days, whereas this one retains a very impressive 97%, requiring 6 times less maintenance. I've been using this robot almost daily for 2 months now, and as advertised, I have not noticed any decline in performance, so definitely a very good system. Another thing I really like on this robot is its carpet cleaning performance. So there's a lot of robots on the market, but this is the only one out there that is truly capable of cleaning thick carpets. So when a carpet is detected, the robot will automatically lift its chassis to give you 2 times the suction power. And as I said earlier, this has a very impressive 30,000 PA, which can dig deep into the carpet. This robot will also avoid tassels or long pile carpets so they don't get tangled. And last but not least, you do not need to pick up floor mats or very thin carpets, as those will automatically be avoided to prevent lifting as well. When it comes to mopping, this robot has their HydroJet 2.0 self-cleaning roller mop. This is a real-time self-cleaning roller, so instead of spreading dirt from one area to another, this makes sure you always have a fresh and clean mop. How this works is this has an industry-leading 32 water outlets which deliver fresh water to the mop while it's cleaning. And as the mop rolls, it scrubs and pulls all the dirt into the vacuum rather than smearing it around like a traditional mop. The roller also applies 15 newtons of downward pressure, so besides regular cleaning, it can actually scrub and remove more stubborn stains as well. Flipping the robot over, you have a very large mop roller, which allows it to clean much more in a single pass, and this is actually the largest roller on a robot, coming in at 11.4 inches. Last but not least, this robot does have 2 water tanks which can separate your clean and dirty water. To make things even better, Eufy isn't just making random claims, as this robot actually has 2 certifications. One for the robot's comprehensive cleaning performance, and another for the electrolyzed water sterilization and antibacterial capabilities. Up next, this has the Clean Mind AI system, which includes a few different features. First, it maps out your house in 3D and identifies different floor types to customize cleaning settings according to what is cleaning. Next, it also has AI obstacle avoidance, which uses a 3D matrix laser. This advanced system has the ability to detect over 200 objects and even keeps a safe distance from risky items such as cables or pet waste. Last but not least, this also has auto threshold crossing, which allows the robot to cross door frames up to 1.65 inches. Definitely a very cool feature that lets this vacuum enter and clean areas where other vacuums would simply get stuck. Another feature I really like is their anti-tangle dual spiral brushes. This is a very unique system that uses 2 separate rollers that join when the robot is cleaning for gap-free coverage and then separate once the robot has docked. This way, instead of hairs being stuck on the roller, that center gap allows them to be channeled directly into the dustbin, resulting in a completely tangle-free system. Taking a look at the 12-in-1 Unite Clean station, this thing has a ton of features, so you have a lot less maintenance to do. This has auto empty for dirty water and debris, auto hot water mop washing, auto hot air drying, auto detergent dispensing, and as I said earlier, it also generates electrolyzed water for completely sterilized mopping. All of this works together and prevents odors and bacteria by keeping everything clean and dry. Definitely one of the best stations out there that makes owning this robot a very hands-free and maintenance-free experience. Another thing I have not seen on any other robot is this one actually has a removable air fragrance module. So right here under the cover, you have the module, and as the robot's cleaning, it'll release the fragrance to give your house a nice and clean smell while eliminating odors as well. As you can see here with the robot, they do include 3 of their signature scents. So looking at the description, right here we have bamboo and sage, which is a clean and calming scent. Next we have citrus and basil, which is a fresh and energizing scent. And last but not least, we have bergamot and lychee, which is a bright and uplifting scent. Honestly, my favorite is the citrus smell, but you can't go wrong with any of them as they all kind of have a fresh and clean smell to them. This is not a feature I ever considered having on a robot vacuum, but it's definitely become one of my favorites as it really does make a difference, making the house feel much more refreshing. Overall, this is definitely one of the best robot vacuums on the market. It's packed with a ton of features, it feels well made, and most importantly, it does a very good job at cleaning. All in all, if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Eufy S2 Omni. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. Alright, well that wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.